Hello, I'm Lian from SUPERSHINE Robot. We are a remote control lawnmower factory, and today I will introduce one of our products. We can produce approximately 1,000 remote control lawnmower per month. If you want this product, please contact us.